YouTube just dropped a major update to Shorts, and if you don't pivot your strategy right now, you are going to feel it in your analytics. Creators who adapt fast are about to see their channels explode, but those who ignore these changes might find their views and subscribers slowly slipping away. Don't panic, because there are 6 tactical moves you can make today to dramatically increase your reach without reinventing your entire process. I am going to walk you through exactly how to shift your strategy and show you how to use Vizard to execute these changes faster and easier than ever before. This isn't just theory, as these are the exact steps that have helped creators I work with see massive spikes in their reach over the last few months. The first major change you need to make is to start ranking for search with year-based keywords, specifically looking ahead to 2026. Right now, between November and January, search volume for queries that include the upcoming year is about to skyrocket. Think about titles like Affiliate Marketing 2026 or YouTube Strategy 2026, because getting these out early captures traffic for the entire coming year. I have seen brand new videos with 2026 in the title outperform videos that have been sitting on channels for months, simply because YouTube prioritizes recency. Vizard makes this easy by allowing you to take your existing long-form content and automatically find the best search-friendly snippets to turn into shorts. You can batch create multiple versions targeting these specific 2026 keywords, tweak your descriptions, and schedule them to publish at optimal times automatically. Change number 2 is to use the collaboration feature, but you need to be very smart about who you partner with to avoid hurting your metrics. Tagging another channel is great for free reach, but only do it if the audiences actually overlap. Otherwise, you will tank your retention rates. Focus on 1 or 2 channels per video that share your niche, because those viewers are far more likely to engage and eventually subscribe. Vizard helps here by letting you create multiple versions of the same clip tailored specifically to the audience of each collaborator. You can quickly adjust your hooks, calls to action, and captions for each partner, ensuring the content feels native to every audience you reach. The third change is to always upload from your mobile device to ensure you can set a custom thumbnail for every single short you publish. Custom thumbnails are now critical because shorts are appearing more often in search results and browse features, where a static image drives the click. Vizard speeds this process up by detecting the best frames from your video, giving you thumbnail options so you don't waste time scrubbing the timeline. It also generates caption overlays and export presets for different platforms, saving you massive amounts of time when you are publishing at scale. Change number 4 is to stop treating your old shorts like static content and start re-optimizing anything that is over a week old. Sometimes a simple change to the title, description, or thumbnail can reawaken the algorithm and unlock fresh reach on content you already made. Vizard lets you rescan your long-form videos to find alternate viral moments you might have missed the first time around. You can then quickly produce new short versions and queue them into your content calendar, making A/B testing incredibly simple. Number 5 is to turn on 2 critical settings in your YouTube studio: allow clips and allow remixing. When viewers create clips or remix your audio, it sends a loud signal to the algorithm that your content is valuable, which leads to more organic reach. I have seen creators generate hundreds of thousands of extra views just by allowing others to remix their content and use their audio. Vizard helps by ensuring your clips are high quality, with clear audio and punchy hooks that make them perfect for others to remix and share. Finally, number 6 is to obsess over your retention metrics, specifically the 3-second mark in your average view duration. You need that 3-second mark to show over 100%, which means people are rewatching your hook or engaging with it early. If that retention is low, your hook needs work, and Vizard helps you identify exactly which timestamps are losing viewers so you can tighten your edits. Vizard's multi-clip generation lets you test different hooks back to back, so you can iterate quickly until you hit that sweet spot in the first few seconds. Why use Vizard over other keyword tools? While tools like vidIQ are great for research, they don't solve the problem of actually producing the content. Most creators know the keywords but struggle with the time sink of manually editing dozens of shorts, which is exactly where Vizard takes over. Vizard automates your production pipeline, handles the scheduling, and lets you focus on your content strategy while the software does the heavy lifting. If you implement these 6 changes and stick with them for just 30 days, you will see a measurable difference in your channel's growth. Start producing your year-based search content today, enable those remix settings, and use Vizard to scale your production without needing a full-time editor. The algorithm favors creators who move fast and test aggressively, so stop waiting and start implementing these smart, repeatable habits right now. It is not magic, it is just smart automation. and you are going to be the channel everyone finds when they are searching for the best content. Take control of your analytics today, use the right tools, and watch as your YouTube Shorts strategy finally starts to pay off.